Welcome to this last lesson related to the team performance domain. And in this lesson, I will verify how we can check the results. How can we see that we did a good job? But first, let's have a look at the team performance domain as we defined it in the beginning of these lessons about the team performance domain. Now, when we look at the team, we look at activities and functions that are associated with the people who are responsible for producing the project deliverables and realize the business outcomes. In order to verify that we have an effective execution of this performance domain, we have to verify that we realized a shared ownership, that we create high performance teams, and that the team is demonstrating leadership and other impersonal skills. So this is a very important element that we have to verify. We have to verify these three elements: the shared ownership, the high performance teams, and the leadership and other interpersonal skills demonstrated by the people. So let's have a look at the first one. When we are looking at shared ownership, how can we verify that we did a good job relating to the team and verifying the parameter shared ownership? Now, what we can understand and what we can verify here is that the team members understand the project vision and objectives. All of the team members understand what the project is about, what are its objectives, and what is the vision of the project. We also have to look at the element that these team members, that they are responsible for realizing the deliverables of the project. So when they're delivering them, when they're providing the deliverables, we also know that there is a shared ownership of the team. And they're also responsible for realizing the expected outcomes of the project. Outcomes is not only about doing things, but also creating the value that we want to create once we defined the project. The second element to consider is about the high performance teams. When we look at trust and collaboration between the team members, it's a very strong indicator of a high performing team. So when we understand, when we see that the team members share trust and collaboration, we already have one parameter to verify that we have a high performance team. The team also adapts to changing situations. We see that the team is very flexible to adjust when it is necessary. They're resilient when faced with challenges. Resilience is very important. We understand that there are a lot of challenges in projects, so the high performing team will be able to show that resilience when there are challenges. The team members are empowered. They can do the things the way they get freedom, the way they can work in the most optimal way. So the empowerment is also a very important indicator of a high performing team. And the members of the project team are recognized for their effort and work. Recognition is very important because saying thank you is one of the simplest things to reward people, but it's one of the things that are typically forgotten. So when the team members are recognized for the work, for their effort, then we also understand that this means that we have another parameter saying or confirming that the team is a high performing team. The last element we will be looking at is that all team members show applicable leadership and other interpersonal skills. Critical thinking and interpersonal skills are used by the team members. So the team members use these skills. They use the interpersonal skills. They apply critical thinking, which are two very important elements when you look at leadership skills. Leadership styles are appropriate to the context of the project and the environment in which it is performed. Leadership can change depending on the situations. So when we see that the team is adjusting the leadership style to deal with the specifics of the project, then we know that the team, that let's say that they're using leadership and the interpersonal skills necessary for the effective leadership leading the project. So these are the different elements, the different ways we can verify that our project is really applying, that we have all the team members' elements verified, and that we can say that our team is performing well. The next lesson will be about the next performance domain, which is the development approach and lifecycle performance domain. And we will start with the introduction of this domain and some definitions that are important for you. That was it for this lesson. That was it for the second performance domain. We still have a number of domains to complete. Anyway, we're slowly going through them step by step. We get through the course and you get to the end of this course and your certificate. So that was it. Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next lessons and videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. Next videos. Thank you, and bye-bye.